The Sherpa 100 AC from Goal Zero makes a great platform for mobile working and remote working. Here we can see it delivering about 20 to 30 watts via USB-C whilst charging a USB-C laptop. Ideally, and most of the time, you'll actually be using this setup more to maintain about 10 watts of usage on a USB-C laptop. Other times using the 10 or so watts from the Goal Zero Nomad 14 Plus to charge the solar battery. Now that is not sadly where the fun starts and ends, because as you can see up there from the open window on the top floor where I had the solar panel charging, I also had my MiFi perched on the window, and it fell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stories down onto the very hard snowproof concrete below. Now amazingly, I had a Wi-Fi signal even though it said it wasn't connected to the mobile network, and that was because all that had happened to our little trusty MiFi is that the SIM had popped out. I think it's pretty amazing, especially considering that this is a version of the MiFi with a slightly beefier battery. You'd think that extra weight would have broken it, and it hasn't. So there you go, you officially have an excuse to get out there, buy a solar panel and a battery, get it on top of your car, on your tent, out of your window, and get remote working.